Hey guys, so you're probably surprised to see me. I don't usually do a lot of talking on the vlog. Lauren heads up most of it, but I'm just so excited today. Today's our move-in day for our new apartment, and I just wanted to catch you up a little bit on what's been going on with our family. For the past 8 months, we've been living with friends and family, kind of moving around here and there, and they've been very generous, either providing us a place to stay for a very low rate or just completely free, and that's been a huge blessing. God's blessed us. We've been able to pay off a lot of my student loan debt and pay off some of our car bills and phone bills and all this stuff. So we're heading in a good direction. God's blessed us with a good job, and now we have a nice home. Lauren and I were discipled and trained by a couple in our home church, and they did Financial Peace University for us. And it's been powerful for us. It's helped us so much to get on track, to get structured, and to get focused on what we need to do for our family's finances. We communicate so much better. We're able to plan better and strategize better. God's just really blessed us, and we didn't really deserve it, but we're thankful for that. And so a part of that is paying cash only, no debt, cut up the credit cards, get out of debt as quickly as possible, build up a savings account, and pay for what you can afford, live within your own means. And so today is a big step towards getting towards that goal. So we're gonna go sign the lease today, and we're also gonna do some fun things Lauren doesn't know about, but it's to say thank you for being 9 months pregnant when we moved out of our first apartment and raising a child, bouncing from house to house. It sounds worse than it was, but it wasn't easy. And I just want to say thank you to her. So we're going to take you guys with us, see what you think.
Welcome to our new home. It's an apartment, so come on, I'll give you a tour. This is the living room slash dining room slash whatever you want to call it. And over here is our beautiful kitchen. Granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, so beautiful. We have an oven, we have a microwave, dishwasher, washer and dryer. Perfect. And we got some cabinet space over here for a pantry. Ooh, I really like that, babe. That's nice. And if you come with me down this hallway, we have a guest bathroom right here. Pretty big bathroom, actually, and the tub. Go look in the tub. It's a big tub. Isn't it?
It is a nice tub.
So this is very nice. And then, come down a little further. We don't care about that. This is Tara's room! Yay, this is your room, baby girl!
Aw, she looks happy about
Are
it.
you so excited about your room? This is yours. You got 2 windows. Oh, so pretty. And then, so you got your own little closet. Just got a nice size closet over here. Walk-in closet. Not bad, not bad. And then, let's go see the other side of the apartment. I like this door right here. It's kind of nice.
Mm-hmm.
Separates the house. First, let's take a look at this little closet we have here. I guess this would be like for coats and shoes or anything else you might need.
We could probably even make it a pantry, hon.
Well, there's plenty of pantry space in those cabinets.
True that. No, there's
And this,
way more pantry space than the other place.
oh yeah. This is our bedroom. the master, what's it called?
Yeah, master bedroom.
The master bedroom. Didn't realize the cars were so loud here. But at night, that road's not very busy, right?
At all. It's a ghost town.
Then we have our beautiful, beautiful bathroom with 2 sinks. Such an upgrade from our last apartment. We only had 1 bathroom. So now we have our own bathroom. Caleb gets a sink, I get a sink. Because we don't like to share around here. Sharing a sink would just be detrimental. And then a beautiful shower here.
These drawers are skinny but kind of cool, huh?
Yeah, they're kind of weird. Kind of creepy.
Nah.
Beautiful shower. And don't you worry, I'll be sanitizing everything before we... like these floors. But I like the floors. Oh, there's also a closet in here. I don't know if you wanted to tape that or not, but there's a linen closet. I really like that. Some good storage space here. One more thing. This is very awesome. Come on in. There's a closet. This could actually be Cheryl's room.
It actually could. It actually could.
Well, when people come to stay, she can sleep in here. In this closet. Right, baby girl? Which room do you want? Do you want this room or the other room? Yeah, she wants the other room. That's what I thought, baby girl. Okay.
All right, so the verdict is... Go ahead.
But not least, and possibly the greatest part, is our balcony.
It is a nice balcony.
The original apartment we looked at had a better view in the back. It actually was
$400 more per month.
nice. Yeah, more expensive. I mean, this is still pretty because we've got this little lake here and some trees and stuff. But it is a little disappointing. Not disappointing, but there's a road right there. That's okay. Cannot complain because everything else is just so great.
God, we love you so much. Thank you for how you always provide for all of our needs. Well, let's do a quick walkthrough, finish the checklist,
Okay.
and go get something to eat.
Yes, please. And thank you. There is some dents in the floor over there. Should we take a picture of that? We're so healthy. We're so healthy. Are you excited? Let's dig in. Our daughter is practically a toddler. Hi, baby girl. Just relaxing in her chair. Do you like this chair? We're just relaxing. When you're at Ikea and you eat a buttload of food and you feel like dying,
This is what happens.
so you come to the beds and you pretend you're testing all the mattresses.
This is going to be a very long test.
People are probably staring at us like weirdos. But we have a daughter, so it doesn't matter. When you have a kid, nothing matters. What do you think about your first time at Ikea, Cherith? Do you like it? She's more interested in Caleb's cross necklace than me. So that's cool. Thanks a lot. Alright, well, we're headed home. Not to our apartment. To our current...
Abode.
Yes.
Anytime you can leave IKEA spending $11 or less, mission accomplished.
Yeah. Honestly, it's so fun just to look, you know, and to dream and to sleep on the couch, take a little nap on the couches and the beds, and we just have fun walking around and looking. But we do eat the food, obviously.
Hey guys, just want to say thank you for all those who were with us through this whole vlog. Praying for us about a home, and God answered our prayers, and we're thankful for that. And thank you for watching, and we'll catch you next time.
See you later. Say bye. Say bye, baby. One day.